In session 10, we will be covering trust as it relates to childhood sexual abuse survivors. We'll be talking about both the immediate implications as well as latent. We'll talk about some of the barriers to achieving lasting relationships, how trust impacts both our ability to let others in, as well as our ability to trust our decision-making skills, our ability to kind of scope out others to see if they're trustworthy, if they're a person that should be a part of your life. We begin to distrust everything that relates to our decision-making, our ability to identify what's right and wrong, our ability to kind of look at others and see them in totality rather than in fragments.